Hey, good morning. Geezer Glider here. Hey, it's a nice, cool, wet, very wet fall day here in West Texas. So, fix to get ready to move and clear out the shop and everything. So before we do that, change the oil, do a little winter maintenance on the bike, and so let's get going today. We'll be doing the oil, changing the oil and rear end fluid, and may even go ahead and do the brakes, flush out the brakes. They'll stick around, do a couple little videos on changing the oil on a 2003 Honda GL1800. Be working on the bike, and I'll try to do my best to get you some decent shots on how to, and just some little tricks that I do. Started it up a little while ago, put on center stand, started it up, made sure I had good clearance on the back tire. Went ahead and kicked the kickstand up, because if you don't, you can't put it in drive. I know I'm going to get lots of flack on this, but that's okay. You do you, I'll do me, and we'll be good. So anyway, went ahead and started the bike up, let it run for a couple of minutes just to kind of get things warmed up a little bit, and make the oil drain out a little faster. So anyway, y'all hang tight. We'll get things going here.